Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Let's talk about how to make money online when the world is shut down with successful solution method. Number 1, you don't need an email list. You don't need marketing skills. You don't have to have any sales experience, and it's newbie friendly because I'm going to talk to you about how to complete tasks and get paid. There are 5 tasks you would complete and you will get paid. So let's get into it. The first one is that you will attend the webinar that we have for people to learn more about successful solution methods. So that's easy. And you attend, support the group, support your people that are coming to the webinar so they can get details about what we're about and hear from our mentor, multi-six-figure earner. So that is task number 1, to attend the webinar. Okay, number 2 of the 5 income producing tasks is to attend the training. So we have training by our 6-figure multi-earner that we have every week, and you want to attend those trainings so you can learn. And she is an incredible teacher. She's a straight shooter. She'll tell you like it is. And I love that about her because I don't want someone to sugarcoat it to you. I want to know the truth because this is my life. This is my future. This is what I'm spending my time on. So I really want someone that cares about whether I'm being successful, and she does. She cares, and that is why I love that, and I love the training. So number 2 is just attend the trainings. Simple. Now number 3 is we have a Facebook group. And all you have to do in the Facebook group is to go in and welcome people as they are added, because this is where we have a hive of activity and they can see the action that's going on there. And it's really a good place for somebody new to go. So it is an incredible group, very busy, very active, and that's where you would go in and welcome new people and congratulate people, because people will be posting their income, which is pretty cool because that kind of hooks up with the 4th activity, and that's to post your payments. Now you're like, wow, you know, part of your activity is to post when you get paid so people can see it, so it can encourage people and, you know, give people an idea of what's happening and what they expect to happen to them. Everybody likes to get paid, right? In fact, in the almost 8 weeks, 7 weeks I've been with the company, I've made over $2,000. So that's awesome. I'm very excited, and I would post every time I got notification that I'd get paid. Like the first notification I got a $350 notification in the first week of joining. I was just so excited. So I took that and posted it in the Facebook group because new people need to see that. They need to see this works. If you do your income producing activities, your tasks, you will get paid. Hands down. No question about it. I've been getting paid ever since I joined this at the end of May. So I'm very excited about that part because it just works for everybody, and I love to share because everybody needs to hear about how they can do something that brings in an income, and it's not rocket science. It's not hard. It's simple. Now, the fifth income producing activity is we have secured, as our six-figure multi-income earner actually has secured, leads or people that have already indicated how much they want to spend on a business and how many hours they have a week to do their business. Now that's awesome. That is excellent. Probably the highest quality lead I've ever seen. And there's packages, a different size package depending on your ability. So you've got that going on, and then you've got your income producing activities, which that is one, of course. And all that together just brings income. It's pretty unique, pretty successful, and that's the name. And it has really been a blessing to me to work with the group. We do have a team that works together. We move forward together. We help each other, and you're never alone. You're never left to figures. You're never left to think, well, what do I do? I don't really know. You know exactly what to do, and that is why I love my job, my work from home business, because I'm excited to wake up and do this. It only takes a couple hours a day, and then here I am on my island, and how much fun is that, right? I get to enjoy all the beauty and be outside and do photography, which is one of my hobbies. I love to photograph, especially the birds that fly here on my deck, because I get close-up view, and that's just awesome because they're so beautiful and gorgeous. You probably hear them chatter in the background some, but anyway, I enjoy that. And so you have more time, freedom for your family, and that's always a wonderful thing, and it's a good life. It's a beautiful life. And I just wanted to share this with you because I want you to know there are options in this world that has been shut down because of quarantine. There are options you can do to earn income and to move anywhere you want or stay home all the time. It doesn't matter. Whatever you need to do. There's my bird. Whatever you need to do, you can do it with this, because I travel to another island as well, and I can still do what I do because I can do it anywhere, and that's also very cool about what we have, and I'm really thankful for that. The birds are crazy. Lots of bird sounds. I always take videos outside because I love the outdoors. It is my hobby, so can't help it. So I hope you learned something very special here, that this works for anyone, and I love that about it. It is just incredibly a good system. We're going to go over the 5 income producing activities, which are simple and easy for anyone to do. No experience, absolutely. I mean, if you can attend a webinar, number 1. If you can go to the training, number 2, of course, that's easy. And you just go into the Facebook group and you post, you welcome people, you post your earnings. Love that, right? I mean, that's incredibly fun to be part of a group of people that are earning online. Some people have never earned a dime online, so this is really exciting for so many. And then, of course, you post your payment info in there, and you just do that, and it's incredibly simple and easy to do, and I'm happy to introduce you to that. So many businesses, programs they have are so complicated, honestly. People just don't have a clue where to start or what to do. But you know exactly what to do, and you're with a team of people. If you have any questions, you get them answered. You're supported, and it is, I mean, how hard is all those things I've listed? Not hard at all. So that is the good news of how you can do Task and Earn online. And I really appreciate you watching the video. Thanks for taking the time out of your day. So please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. And bye from Alaska. Thanks for watching.